In this lesson, I will show you how to create section view, because when you will create any part, you have to see through the section. So this is very important to learn this section view. So I will go to this view tab. From here, if you want, you can create the section view by using this edit section. I will activate it, and this is very complex dialog box, but you do not need to learn everything now. I will discuss all essential thing. At the top, inside this type, there are two different types available. One is one plane and two parallel plane. I will select one plane. Then in the graphic window, I can see this is that one plane is showing here. If I want, I can move this plane with this drag handle. I can move this triad to bottom or top. I can move to this two direction, but there is no reflection of this because I want to section on this XY plane. So I have to move on this Z direction. Then if you want, you can put your section name for this. Then if you want, you can put section plane. By default, this is absolute, but there are three different types: absolute, WCS, or screen. For absolute, if you want, you can put your orientation based on X or Y or Z. Then if you have any specific plane, based on that plane, if you want to make a section, in that case you have to define that plane. Here there is one plane you can see from here. If I select this plane, based on this plane I can make a section view, but that drag handle is not available here. In that case, from this offset you have to change the depth. Then I will press OK. Now you can see this is my section. If you want to edit this section, you have to select it again. From here, let's say I will move this to somewhere here and I will press OK. So this is how you can edit it. I will go to edit section again. This time I will show you another type, two parallel planes. If I select two parallel planes, that means I have to use two planes to make my section view. And you can see there are two planes I can see from here. This is my active plane. I can move this by using this drag handle. And another plane you can see from here. If you want to move this plane, you have to go to the bottom. This is new category, second plane. I can move by using this. If I want to move this precisely, I have to put some specific value. Let's say I will put 40. If I want to lock this first plane, I can lock it and I will not be able to change it. But still, by using this thickness, I can also move this. Then if you want to reverse this section, in that case you can use this reverse direction. It will just completely reverse this section. When I am done, I will press OK. This time you can see this is my section view. And if you want to close your section view, you have to select this button, not this button. By using this you can edit it. But when I created my section view, you can see this button is activated, which is clip section. If I select it just only for one time, my section view will be disabled, but this is still there. If I select this clip section again, you will see you will get your last section view here. And if you want to edit it, you have to edit it from here. So I will go to edit. From here I will select one plane and I will move it to here and I will press OK. This time I will select clip section. Now when I am done, if I want to see from section view, I will select clip section again and I will be able to see my section view.